Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful toffee bouquet for Teacher's Day. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You'll need about 20 to 30 pieces of individually wrapped toffees and candies, along with 10 to 15 wooden skewers. Don't forget a small decorative pot, some floral foam, and a hot glue gun. These items form the foundation of our sweet gift. Now, let's prepare our delicious toffees. Take each individually wrapped candy and carefully attach it to the end of a wooden skewer using a small dab of hot glue. Hold it firmly for a few seconds to ensure a strong bond. Try to vary the lengths of your skewers. Some can be 5 inches, others 7 inches, to create visual interest in your bouquet. Let them dry completely for about 10 minutes. With your toffees ready, it's time to build the bouquet base. First, fit a piece of floral foam snugly into your chosen decorative pot. You can trim the foam to fit perfectly. Next, cover the foam with some colorful crinkled cellophane or tissue paper to hide it and add a festive touch. Start by inserting your longest toffee skewers into the center of the foam, then progressively add shorter ones around them, creating a beautiful, rounded shape. To complete your stunning toffee bouquet, fill any remaining gaps with smaller candies or even some decorative paper shred for extra flair. Once all the sweets are in place, gently gather a large sheet of clear cellophane around the entire bouquet, pulling it up and securing it tightly at the base with a festive ribbon. Tie a lovely bow, and your heartfelt, handmade gift is ready to bring a smile to your teacher's face.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.